Tuloy todo na nga ang paggalaw natin mga kabonding ngayong tag-araw dahil dati rin kayo nag-collect sa mga hot summer destinations dito sa Pilipinas. At kung mga sikat na bakasyon na ng pag-uusapan, paniguradong kasama na sa listahan ang Subic. Di na kayo maliligaw sa inyong Subic Escapade mga kabonding dahil narito ang Connect para kayo ay samahan. Excited na ba kayo? Ako po si Bianca Gonzalez, always your summer kabonding dahil close tayo sa TFC Connect. The perfect summer getaway doesn't need to be miles and miles away from Manila. In fact, mga 1 hanggang 2 oras lang na biyahe ay ma-experience na ang inyong inaasam-asam na summer experience. Walang kukurap mga kabonding dahil heto na, TFC Connect goes to Subic. At para mas mapalapit pa kayo sa mga binibisitang mga lugar dito, may mga villas na pwede niyong tuluyan upang maging komportable ang inyong pagbabakasyon. Saan ba ito sa Subic? Video Connect.
After a busy week in Manila or in any place here, the best place you can go is a place wherein you can really rest. You can commune with nature. You can, but at the same time, enjoy the comforts of life. And we all have that here in Subic. Every place here is just a stone throw away. 1 minute, you'll see the best sunset in the Philippines. A minute after, you'll be in the golf course. But in going to a vacation place, you want to feel at home. And sometimes you don't want to be in a very strict place like a hotel or an inn. And that's why we have Forest View to offer for our guests, wherein they can stay here and just be the family they want to be. They can cook, they can trim their garden, our garden, they can do basketball, swimming, everything. It's all here in Forest View. Forest View Subic is a well-contained community with a very, very good security. When you are in our villa, you will just feel, yes, I'm just in my home. I can just do anything I want. I can just watch the TV. It's cable ready, so you can watch anything. So it's just like your second home. If you will be visiting the rooms of our villas, you will be noticing the Korean ambience, wherein it's very minimalistic, and yet it has class. But at the same time, when you go out of your villas, you will hear the chirping of the birds, the monkeys who will just walk across the streets. We are very proud to say that we are an accredited facility by the Philippine Retirement Authority. And with that, any foreigner can have a visa by just staying in our place. At the same time, with our balikbayans, they can just lease a place here and have their retirement here. I think you will choose to live here if you can say that this is just 1 minute from your best sunset, just 1.5 minutes from your fishing, 2 minutes for your golf, 3 minutes from the nearest gas station and food centers, 5 minutes to the convention store. This is the best place you can live in.
Pagkatapos nating makarating sa Panalo Summer Destination, panalo din naman ang Batean Moments dito lang sa Connect. Happy birthday sa 2 mommies na sina Nanay Nene Mangulabnan at Mami Nali Morales. Karawan din ngayon ni Steven Lamer of Arlington, Texas. And happy din ang summer ni Sheila sa iyo dahil birthday niya ngayon. Happy viewing din kina Grace Lynn and Jillian Gatchalian-Tamang na nasa Miami. Go mga kabonding! Patuloy lang kayo mag-post ng inyong mga kapamilya greetings, okay? tfcconnect.multiply.com. Gusto mo naming humaba pang summer vacation Monday ay kailangan na rin naming magpaalam. But we will see you again tomorrow. Handog rin namin bukas ang isang espesyal na feature sa graduation ni Tibay as requested by Franny Filgar of Kuwait. At dahil papalapit na rin ang Mother's Day, may niluluto ulit na treat ang Connect para sa inyong mga mommies. So tell us about your mom sa tfcconnect.multiply.com. Alright? Ako po si Bianca Gonzalez at close tayo sa TFC Connect.